Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi, Shorthand instructor. For this Shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. This dictation passage link and other crucial links are provided in the description box. If you feel that this dictation can help you in the examinations, click the like button, share the video and make a comment. We are also making this passage available to you in 80, 100, 120 and 150 words per minute. Anyone interested in joining the Telegram group can do so by clicking the link provided in the description box. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The Patna High Court on Thursday ordered a stay on the caste-based survey being conducted by the present government. A division bench of Chief Justice, hearing a petition filed by Kumar and others, directed the government to immediately stop the survey and ensure that the data already collected are preserved and secured. The data should not be shared with anybody till the final orders are passed, the court said. Advocate on record, that is, Land Counsel for the petitioners, told the court that the Bihar government was misusing the contingency fund and the right to conduct such surveys was beyond the state's jurisdiction. Advocate General, appearing for the state, said the survey was being conducted to make plans for public welfare. The petitioners have made out a prima facie case against the continuation of the caste-based survey. There is also the question raised of data integrity and security, which has to be more elaborately addressed by the state, the court said. Prima facie, we are of the opinion that the state government has no power to carry out a caste-based survey in the manner in which it is fashioned now, which would amount to a census, thus intrude upon the High Court. The next hearing is scheduled for July 3. The first phase of the survey, which involved house listing exercise, was carried out from January 7 to January 21st. The second phase began on April 15 and was supposed to conclude by May 15. Reacting to the court order, the BJP demanded the Chief Minister's resignation. It is very sad that the government could not convince its decision in the court. He must resign now because he is the person responsible for this. He doesn't want to conduct caste-based survey in Bihar, and they put up a weak side intentionally so that the court puts a stay order, BJP president said. One of the leading party president termed the court decision unfortunate and held the chief minister responsible for it. He said the order showed that the state government would win the battle in court. Stop. Once again, I am requesting you that if you feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, please like the button, share the video and make a comment. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students for this shorthand subject. Thank you.